Hey, I'm Charles, and today we're visiting Tree to Tree Cape May Adventure Course, located within the Cape May County Park. We're gonna get Izzy geared up and then let her loose on the course. She is gonna have a blast.
Let's go.
Let's go. Tree to Tree Cape May is a treetop adventure course. Basically, we're an obstacle course set in the trees at various heights and difficulties. Our courses are perfect for every ability and ages 7 and up. You'll test your mind, body, and spirit while going through a series of obstacles and challenges like wobbly bridges, swinging surprises, zip lines, nets, ladders, and monkey bars.
That was so much fun!
Tree to Tree Cape May is a great way to experience South Jersey, rain or shine, before or after the beach. Open April through November. Book your adventure online at treetotreecapemay.com.